PS3 Super Slim. This particular model of the PS3 is known for its durability, and that is for two main reasons. The first reason is its manual disk drive, and the second reason is maximum airflow on this console. So today I got lucky and got my hands on this Super Slim. It's quite old, and at this part is broken. Its drive is supported by a tissue paper, literally, and this storage device is 320 gigabytes of storage. So let's try and power on this PS3 and see what happens. No red lights. Oops. Okay. There you go. Here is a red light. So let me power it on the TV. So for those who have owned the PS3 Super Slim and the Slim, you can write it down in the comment section which model you think is the best between these two. Meanwhile, let's check this one out. Okay, so yeah, the PS3 display is fine, it powers on well, no funny noises. So I just have to look for the PS3 controller because I don't have one currently. I'll check its interface, if it has its games or any other thing. So let me get a PS3 controller and try and see whatever is inside this Super Slim. Perfect. I now have the PS3 controller. So let's try it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first try to rebuild this database. Rebuilding database doesn't delete any of the applications or games. Yes. Yes. So the database system storage is built. Okay. The PS3 was jailbroken. It's still bringing this loop back here. So I think I'll just have to delete everything and let me try. Oh no, so let me try to skip it. So if I try to skip it, let's see, hopefully it will reach 100%. Yeah, 100%. Let it restart. Then takes us back to the same this same screen. So let me just turn it off, boot it to safe mode, and then clear everything. So let me boot it to safe mode once again. Two successive dips get us to the safe mode. So connect the controller, restart the system, change storage, restore file system, restore PS3. So I'll go with the option 5 to restore. Hopefully this will delete everything. The PS3 is back as new. So yes. So the PS3 is back, it's new as it was bought, but the hand is still loading. So meaning I just have a little process to get to install these other things. So the hand is already installed, so I don't have to jailbreak it once again because it's already running on hand. So I just have to download the Multiman, plug it in, and then install some games. So yeah, so we are back on the home screen. So I'll just go and download the Multiman. I put it in a storage, feed it inside here, and then install the games.